Hey man, y'all know I ain't about them games, man. You already know what time it is, man. We back, and we back, and we back. Got my man here, Best Auto, man. They about to put this glass in. It's about to be so sweet. You know what I mean? Check my man out. He doing it. He doing it. Got him here on site, on the property. You know what I mean? I ain't going out, man. Come to the house and do it. You did. Y'all make sure y'all holler at him, man. And we ain't getting one, man. I'm getting two. You did? I got one for the SS right here, and then one for my partner LS right there. You know what I mean? I'm gonna run up the street as soon as he done with this one. As soon as he done with that one, man, I'm gonna run up the street, pull out my partner car, and he gonna put that one in the partner car. You did? So we got this, man. Hey, ain't no gaming. We ain't gaming around here, man. We ain't gaming at all. You did? So stay tuned, man. Sweet. And it's in. Oh, there they go. Got some keys. Man, that looks good. Woo! Clean windshield. I need that black. I need the back glass. I need to call him again so we can get that back glass. Okay. That's good. Hey man, it's done. Go down the street and get this other one installed. You did.